Welcome to another quick edition of Cooking with the Professor. I'm just trying to whip up something for tonight based on what I have in the fridge. And that includes carrots that have been cut kind of finely, some cabbage that I have chopped, I have some chicken, I have some ginger root, and I have some lime juice that I might throw in there as well. Well, haven't completely decided. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see what comes off the stove. I have a sort of minced ginger root there. Set that aside, and we'll start making thin pieces of chicken. Yes, I said chicken. Added some more oil to the pan. Got my thinly sliced chicken, about as thin as I can easily make it. You're kind of hyper because you smell the chicken. Cooking nicely. Right? What do you think? You know what it means when I get out the little plate, right? She knows that she gets fed from these little plates. It's too hot right now, okay? It's too hot. Now we'll set aside the carnivore. I'll add the cabbage. I will add the ginger and lime. And someone gets hers cut into little pieces. And yes, you know what I'm doing, but you need to be patient. You have to be patient. Okay, because it also has to cool down. Okay, it's cool enough. There you go, Pebbles. Looks like it is ready. It's sort of tropical inspired, I suppose I'd say, with the ginger and the lime. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it as much as Pebbles did. But unlike her, you should like and comment below. And I will see you next time on Cooking with the Professor.